I'm here at NEC to meet Neil Hartigan to catch up on the world of display technology. Well, Neil, let's talk about projection technology for a moment. What are the most significant changes you've seen in the last couple of years?
If you look at where the projector industry has been very successful in the past, it's been in the education sector. That landscape has changed quite dramatically, certainly in the last 12 months. And that is because interactive screen technology has really forged its way into that market. So that's been a real challenge. However, the good news is that the large venue and installation sector of the market is growing exponentially, and we're playing a big part in that. We've been very successful, and our figures Q3 year on year have grown 19%.
Just thinking about the laser projection technology now, how does that translate into lower cost of ownership benefits?
We use a phosphor laser, doesn't need a lamp obviously, because the light source is laser and phosphor driven. Also, it doesn't need a filter, which is one of the bugbears of the lamp environment, because not only do you have to replace it reasonably regularly, but you've also got to clean it.
What are the technical benefits of laser projection?
They're brighter, you can get richer colours, it's at a wider colour gamut. And also with laser, you've got instant on-off, which causes a huge amount of problems with lamp technology.
How long do you think it will be before traditional projectors are obsolete?
If you look at the installation large venue area of the market, in 2014, laser represented about 1.4% worldwide of that market. By 2019, it's projected that that will go from 1.4% to 68%. So there is still a market there for lamp, but it's shrinking, and that will continue to shrink.
Do you think that the large format LED displays will continue to eat into the corporate projection market?
We now have 98-inch screens, ideal for boardroom, meeting room. So yes, definitely it will eat away at what was projector bedrock ground, but there are certain other application areas which will demand laser. Corporate have shied away from lamp projectors in the past because of all the maintenance that goes alongside with it. Now with laser being maintenance free, there are certainly more attractions.
What about fine pitch LED solutions? How significant is this technology?
It still represents a very small part of our industry at the moment. I think in 2015, in the large format area, it was about 8% of the total volume in terms of revenue. In 2019, the projection is more like 28%. So over the next few years, I see it becoming far more popular. The pitch will become finer. The resolution will be as we're experiencing now with LED screens. At the moment with LED, everything's kind of bespoke, and people are looking for that wow factor. Maybe in the future, the channel can sell them as set sizes, and distribution will stock them in set sizes.
What kind of applications are going to suit the LED wall technology the best?
Well, indoor is where we're going to see most of the growth from our perspective, and that's where we're focusing most of our efforts. Transportation is starting to become a very, very good area for LED technology, especially for airports, train stations, even control room applications. And even if you look at the media and broadcast industry, you watch the TV now, and where we used to see video walls behind presenters, you're going to see LED there, because the advantages are obvious, because there are no bezels.
Tell me about the NEC Showcase.
We'll be showing all of our technology. Obviously, we've got some new technology coming along. We're bringing along about 30 plus solutions partners. Enables us not only to show our latest technology and future and forthcoming technology, it also allows us to show how it bolts together with our solutions partners. And that's what makes the showcase a bit special, I think.
What's the most significant technology at the showcase?
I think probably the most significant technology will be our fine pitch LED, because it gives us the opportunity to show it in the centre of London. We'll have the specialists there so that they can answer any of the more technical questions that they may have, but also they can see firsthand how the technology is evolving, because fine pitch is making a real difference.
Do you remember those original overhead projector panels that we used to use?
when we were selling those products, we thought they were revolutionary. But, when you think of that technology of the overhead projector panel, which was within the last 20 years, what's going to happen in the next 10 years? Who knows?
Well, thanks very much indeed, Neil. I've really enjoyed our chat today.
Nev, it's a pleasure as always, so thank you very much.